Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you're doing fine. I am very well, thank you. So from where we left off last time, we spoke about the tips you need to know before you audition for all beauty pageants here in Ghana. So today I'm back again to tell you some things you need to know once you've been selected from the audition to go into the main competition itself. So I have written down some few tips here for you. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you haven't liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and comment below and share if possible. So let's quickly run into the tips I have for you today. So congratulations on being selected to enter the competition itself. Know that it's very tough and everything in this life is really tough and you need the grace of God to help you go through it. But once again, congratulations and I wish you all the very best in this journey you're about to embark on. Know that there are equally beautiful girls and intelligent girls among you where you are right now. So know that they are equally qualified and excellent girls just like yourself. So ask yourself what you can do differently to excel in this particular pageantry you've decided to participate in. So the very first thing is to have your plan as an individual. Have a plan for yourself. Why did you decide to be part of this year's competition? Ask yourself this. Write some things down that you want to achieve before the end of this competition. Should you win or not, you should have to have a plan for yourself. That should you win or not, you have to go home with something. You should learn something from this pageantry. It should teach you something about life in general and forming friendship and relationship with the girls there. So have a plan for yourself. The two is know your budget. Let me tell you, these things cost a lot of money. If you don't know, I'm telling you right now. For myself, I was part of Miss Tourism, as I rightly said in my last video. And in Miss Tourism, we spent a lot of money voting for ourselves. Don't think someone else is going to vote for you. People tell you they'll vote for you. But know that that is going to be just a bit of the iceberg. They're going to vote for you like 2-3 times. But you need more than 1,000 votes to go through the competition to the very end. So find money for yourself. Know where your budget is coming from. If you don't have money, any money, laid aside for this particular project, start saving from now because the voting system will be open very soon for you to start casting your vote for yourself and then leave the rest to your friends and families to help you out. But most of the voting should come from you. Your dressing, your hair, your shoes, you have to get new items almost every 2 weeks or 3 weeks for yourself to look good and classy at all times because it is a competition and you have to look your best smart at all times as much as you can. It's very important. Yes. So the second thing is have a strategy. Know how you're going to play out with the girls out there. Don't go befriending all of them because after all, we have to do this and this. No. Have a strategy for yourself. How you want to win this competition. How do you want to win? Do you want to just go about doing all the things other people are doing and come out as the queen? Mind you, the judges have what they are looking for. And if possible, ask them what exactly they are looking for in a queen. Or you could ask your predecessors what made them become who they are, what made them win the crown. So ask them relevant questions and try to live accordingly. Don't go trying to, pretend to be who you are not. Be your very self, but ask questions where necessary. Do not go about asking questions from your other girls. Ask questions from your organizers, your past queens, and all of that. Let them tell you what exactly is entailed in the competition. You understand? And the next thing is learn fast. Try to learn as fast as you can. Most of you, before entering the competition, do not know how to catwalk. There will be lessons for you, catwalk lessons, exercising, and what have you. The judges are also looking out for all these things. At the end of the day, they're going to give an award to the best person, the best person with catwalking. So the one who is very good with catwalking, modeling, whatever they call it. So learn fast as you can because a queen will have to know how to catwalk. It is very important that you know all these things. In terms of catwalk, in terms of your mannerisms, how you go about doing your things and your choreography and all of that. Take them seriously because you never can tell where it will take you to. And the next thing is be yourself and look smart at all times. I've already mentioned this. Give off your best. I know the project the pageant is all about. Know the project mostly they embark on and work towards it. Come up with something new you would want to do for your society or your community should you win the crown. So have a project in mind. Whether they ask you or not, have a project in mind. And know the mission and purpose of the pageant as you are there. Because anywhere you go, someone can just single you out from the crowd and ask you what at all this pageantry is about and what you particularly are planning to, work at should you win. So always have this in mind. Don't go trying to be a master of all trade. Don't go trying to be proud, trying to be um, full of trying to be the island of knowledge where everyone comes to know. Open yourself out to also learn. You understand? And pray and let the will of God be done for your life. Everything happens for a reason in this life. So this is a new phase in your life. I wish you all the very best. But should you win or not, know that everything happens for a reason. One door closes for another door to be opened. So till we meet same time, subscribe to this channel. Like it if you haven't. Share and comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. Till we meet same time. It is bye-bye.